Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to switch default apps on Motorola Razr 2025. Now step-by-step guide should be first open the settings application, swipe down from the top screen, tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. This can be found on the upper right section. Navigate apps, scroll down to the app section and app notifications. Tap on default apps. If you don't see it directly, tap advanced to reveal more options. Changing specific default apps, for example, in the default apps menu, go to Tap Browser app, choose the preferred browser, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I personally suggest Edge for this one. Moving forward, tap to set as a new default, which is going to be your browser, alright? Now B is going to be setting a default SMS app. Preferring messages, Signal, or Textra, of course go for messages, and confirm selection if prompted. Next one, this is for Android, typically does not allow switching the default camera. So once you preferred camera app from the app drawer, grant necessary permissions and basically add a shortcut to your home screen for quick launch. And basically the tips is you can reset all default apps by going to settings, app, default apps, and reset app preferences. If an app isn't showing up, ensure it's installed and updated. And that's it. Enjoy your personalized Motorola Razr 2025. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.